All right, so we did it! West, that military hardware we needed. It's parked out back of Trevor's office.
All right, we might be ready to move on this thing. Meet me up in the lab.
You're a fucking asshole.
Let's do it!
Fuck yeah, come on.
Sorry,
Hey,
living
man.
and letting more people live is all I want.
Hell yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Anyone else?
You know what? You're a one nasty fuck.
You're
Fuck
trash.
you.
You want to see the inside of a propane tank?
Come on!
You look like shit.
Shoot!
Tú, pinche pendejo.
You wanna fight, huh?
Son of a bitch.
Stay down!
Had enough of you assholes on welfare fucking with me.
It's not inappropriate.
It's another one of your fucking disasters. That's what it is. First you take a hostage against my advice, and then you start some kind of crazy high school romance with her? Are you nuts? She's a 60-year-old housewife!
Wow, she's 57, and she thinks that I'm mature.
Yeah, well, let me tell you something. 30 years of marriage to the world's angriest mob boss would make anyone insane. You're not making my situation any easier.
Oh, there's a surprise. I knew it would become about you.
I miss my family.
Oh, you're full of shit. All you ever did was ignore them, and now that they're gone, you miss them. Fucking incredible.
I'll tell you what's incredible. Fucking incredible.
Hey!
Mother...
Hey!
What?
Enough! You got me out here. You wrote me into your crazy world of bullshit. If it was lies, new age shit, and arguments about how good life used to be, I could have stayed my ass in Los Santos.
Hello, Franklin.
What's up?
All right. Here's the shot. We're going to Paleto Bay. We're gonna do this thing. Any questions? Comments?
Yeah. I miss Brad. That crazy motherfucker was with us now. He would have loved this. Instead, he's got to enjoy himself molesting white-collar criminals in a federal penitentiary.
Thanks for sharing. Anybody else?
What about me?
You'll be waiting for them by the river, handling the getaway.
All right.
Now, these three go in. You grab the tape. They rendezvous with you. You get out of there. Does that, work for everyone? Great. Let's go.
Come on. We got a score to take.
Pinewood knows how to work with a black...
You ever hit a bank before, Franklin?
Yeah, I was the driver on the job my boy Lamar pulled. Guess it's the same kind of shit we doing now, right?
Nice, bro. What was the take?
Shit, I don't know, man. I can't remember.
Come on. Everyone remembers their first score.
Shit, not me.
Huh? Mikey, bro, what was your first bank score?
88, outskirts of Carcer City. Took a small franchise for 10G. Yeah, things were easier back then.
Yeah, 25 years ago. Jesus! Chef, will you tell these gentlemen about your first job?
T, man. You could just as easily.
You tell them! I'll do a sanity check.
Trevor, the ultimate judge of sanity.
Well, it was, part of the interview process, I guess is how you call it. Trevor knew I could cook, wanted to see if I could handle myself. This cash for gold guy comes through town. Stood to reason he had funds. Next thing, we're burying him and his bodyguard in the junkyard. Well, most of them anyhow.
50K. He did fine. He's better at all aspects of the job now, from killing to dismemberment. Your turn to share, kid.
I told you I don't remember the details, man.
Leave him alone, Trevor.
This is an important moment, Michael. Here we are, on our way to almost certain death, bonding, pouring our hearts out, and this guy is sitting here, soaking it up and giving nothing in return.
Hey, if he don't remember...
If he don't remember, I'm supposed to trust this man with my life, and he don't trust me with the details of his first bank job?
Well, how about you? Why don't you share with the group? I'm here. I'll back the facts.
The checks cash place? I went in, took him for $8 grand, walked out.
Yeah. It was a bit more complicated than that, though, wasn't it, T?
Maybe I knew the guy. Maybe he ID'd me.
Maybe you did 6 months.
Maybe I was out in 4, and that, children, is why we don't leave witnesses.
That, children, is why you don't rob people that you know.
Ah. Franklin, share.
Yeah, come on, kid. It can't be worse than Trevor's.
All right, man, shit. Okay, the score was like 2 stacks, man.
2G, take home on your first gig? That ain't bad, man.
Man, the whole score was 2 stacks. Only I didn't see none of that shit. Dye pack went off, homie. Money was useless then.
I'd pack. You amateur!
I knew I shouldn't have told you shit.
Hey, Franklin, we all gotta start somewhere.
Last time I tell your ass something.
Now, come on. Don't be so cold, man. Learn to laugh at yourself. You're in danger of turning into this man.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Wouldn't laugh, wouldn't hang out.
All right, Frank, we're gonna drop you up here, okay? When you hear it kick off, get ready, because we're gonna want to go ASAP.
I'm on getaway, man. I'll do it.
All right, you know where you gotta be?
I got it down.
I'll bring a dye pack just for you.
We ready for this?
I could use a restroom break.
And risk getting ID'd. You're an idiot.
I gotta go. It's number 2.
All right, we all good? Let's hit them.
If we're gonna hit it, let's hit it. This won't take a minute. Get down on the floor!
It's a power play, son. Today's going one of 2 ways, friends. Everyone on the floor, now! You and you, out from behind the counter. That's it, hands in the air. Em, keep an eye on our trusted employee.
Okay. You got the crowd. Cops will be here soon, so keep an eye out.
Door's ready to pop. Come kick it in, Em.
Ever meet this alarm guy? Fucking shoot him.
Not if I get it to him first.
Yeah.
Stay back! We got hostages!
Tell the sheriff the 211 is confirmed. We're gonna need everything we got down here.
Sheriff's here. We never could have beaten that response.
There's other ways of beating it.
Call up procedure.
I don't care if they surrender. I'm killing me some bad guys.
Now let the hostages go, and, we'll talk like gentlemen.
Time to face the music.
Sweet mother shit.
I said back off!
Fuckers! Someone's watching. Woo!
got you covered.
Go, Pete. Come on, kid. I don't have time for your bullshit. You know what? I think I will refer the cops behind you.
I ain't the one who stabbed friends in the back.
We got a window! Let's move! We're not going through this, not with 50 pounds of gear. Blast it! The fence, bro! Unleash hell on it! They're on to us! Take down the fence, bro! Shit!
There is no way out!
We're bringing down the fences here, real and emotional.
I need the glass I hit before, but I'm sweating in this suit. Swimming in this thing.
Go through the fence!
Give yourselves up!
Hey, Frank! We need another escape route! Can you find a vehicle? Something that might stand up to gunfire. There's some construction around the way.
Alright.
Just what we need! More heat! Stay behind it! We gotta push through this roadblock. This is it! Let's go! Cop car incoming! Another one, Frank! You're not gonna win this!
Come on, Copper!
Too bad! It's like second skin! I can never find this thing! It's too heavy! You wanna play dead? We won't be playing! Hey, hey! Through here! Run along! Fine! I know you're being paid to be here! Ah, shit! The fucking army! I knew these pricks had connections to the military. This is fucking nuts! It's a conspiracy, the cops and the army! War vehicles! So this is where our defense spending goes!
I respect your service, but can you fuck off?
Corrupt government scumbag.
This ain't nothing to do with you!
T, man, they're finding the tank.
We gotta move it! Like right now!
If we all go, they'll get behind us. How about I push this way while you link with Franklin? Then we get out separate.
Sounds like a plan! T, your guys good? Good! Hey, I thought I was paying out for another idiot! Sit tight, man!
You okay?
I ain't dead yet! I'm on my way! Hey man, these guys are every fucking where! How many dudes they got in this private army? Hey, you blocking the wrong road, man! Clear out the way!
Are you almost here?
Nearly.
Alright.
Fall back! Time to reload!
How you doing, son?
You hear that gunfire? That's how I'm doing.
Hang in there.
fuck off already!
It's getting hairy over here.
It's hairy over here too, man! Chill! Oh, over here! So I guess we should...
That's all right.
Get...
Go, 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 go! Oh, fuck me in the ass.
Another tank on the right! Hang a left!
That's all right.
Good kid.
Go, 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 go!
Go left! There's another tank coming from the right!
Hey, quite a disturbance you caused.
Ah, shit. Well, you know me and Trevor. Wherever we go, Bravo follows.
That's one way of putting it. Hey, hold on. We ain't going through here.
Ah, that's that tank that flew over us. We gotta duck into that factory. Let's go inside the group.
He shot old man, huh? I'm grouped just fine.
Man, y'all look hot in the motherfucker in them suits.
Hey, let's get that train.
Shit cake! They're all over us!
Ah, it was going so sweet.
Come on, through the warehouse.
Use me as cover, Frank. You don't want to get out front.
I should have worn a suit, man.
Stay behind me, kid. I got the armor.
I'll be cool when we out of this.
Go away!
How you doing back there, Frank?
I'm fine. Let's keep moving. Hey, man, these guys are every fucking where.
Team, come in. I'm trying to hold these guys. Where are you?
We ducked into a chicken factory to get away from the tanks.
Chicken factory? Oh, I see it. I'll try and head off anyone who looks like they're going in.
I told you Chef was good people! Key to running a business is surrounding yourself with talent.
I feel like the right manager. You're unlocking potential.
Hey, you holding it together?
I'll look out for myself, man. Go.
Oh, more army showing up!
Oh. Suck my leg.
We need backup now.
Watch the grenade! Let's go! Could be our only way out of here.
How you holding up, kid?
I'm cool. Just keep going.
There's a ground team on the way to the factory. I might be able to get the drop on them.
All right, you do what you can do, Chef. I'm glad you got hired for the job. There's some guys trying to get in here. Chef's holding them off. Might give us the window we need to jump a train. Come on, the platform. Couple more minutes.
I just macked a tank, you prick!
I think they think there's more than one of me. They're pulling back.
Okay. Hey, slip out of town and call Lester for instructions. I gotta move. You're wasting inside a fill of tank, my friend. Chef caught us a break, people. Let's get our train. The train. It's our only shot. Here we go. Right here. Get on. Fucking it. Let's go.
Easy, easy. I'm a friendly. Agent Sanchez.
Our very own corrupt G-man in training.
You gotta be careful, buddy, all right? Because they are looking around these trains for illegals. And if you're mistaken, you'll be shot, amigo.
Very amusing.
Yeah, if you expecting them two to bring you up, you're gonna be disappointed, homie.
Right back at you. Got the money?
Everything we got.
Okay, and here's your cut. Considering present scrutiny on public worker remuneration, this is a big win.
Oh yeah, that's a huge fucking win. Woo!
Monsters. I'm out. Agent Haynes will get in touch with you once Operation Save the World's ago. Get your crew together, okay?
Fucking punk. All right. We should probably split up. They're gonna be looking for a 3.
Oh, the blood we spill for the security of this country. Come on, Franklin.
Man, I'll holler at you, home.
All right. Seatbelt. Serious.
To end up here, I've clearly made some very bad decisions.
Trevor about?
He's probably out somewhere drinking human blood or eating household pets.
He's not that bad.
Really?
Well, okay, he is pretty bad. But he's got a sensitive side.
Oh, yes, he's very sensitive. When he gets his feelings hurt, he's devastated. So what's your story?
I ain't got a story. I'm an independent thinker. Living out here away from the man. From what I can tell, you're like a high school athlete. Living off old glories. You used to be able to manage heat. And now you're worried if your loafers are getting scuffed.
Any more bullshit comes out of your mouth, you're gonna learn all about my past glories firsthand. You understand?
Absolutely, sir. That came out wrong, all wrong. Tell Trevor the monthly train is coming through.
What monthly train?
The monthly train.
Where have you two been?
Getting some fresh air.
Talking of beautiful things.
Yes, I hear Stockholm Syndrome is very nice this time of year.
Hey, watch your mouth, boy, all right? It's always been a dream of ours. The train of dreams.
The hell are you talking about?
I'm talking about gold. Enough to keep Ron in trailers and you in therapy. Enough so that we can pay off that Mexican and get you back in town, baby! Yeah!
This better be fucking good!
Jesus. Man, we've talked about this hygiene thing before, bro. I invite you into my home, this is how you repay me? It's like living with a fucking horny skunk. Be under Raton Canyon Bridge in a boat. We'll stay in touch on the headsets. That's about the size of it! Make it a fast boat!
The logistical mind of Trevor Phillips. So it's like gold bricks on board, right?
Sometimes. This is a high-value courier service run by Merryweather.
Oh, Merryweather?
Tranquilo, Mike! This ain't a weapons train. It's goods too valuable to insure for air travel trade.
Gold.
Sometimes gold, sometimes artwork, priceless antiquities. Sometimes enough for you, me, Ron, everyone.
Fine.
Like a mirage in the desert. Here's my train. Don't leave without me! Mike, oh yeah, another thing for your shopping list. We'll need some bombs.
Okay. I'll pick them up when I'm back at the trailer.
Back in the trailer? Where are you? We got work to do.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm getting changed.
Ah, whoa, getting changed? What have you turned into? Choo-choo!